Hello, welcome then to this week's tech tips. It's been a while since we've done a video on tech tips, but I thought this was really important. It's linked to education to some extent. It's very topical at the moment. You can see open here, I've got ChatOpenAI.com. Everything at the moment seems to be linked back to AI. Lots of people are talking about it. Lots of people are saying about how useful it is. And it's something that I think is going to become a bit of a concern in the future in terms of education because it's so good. Not going to say too much about it. I want to really show you. So I was looking at thinking of just doing like an intro for YouTube, particularly talking about Chat OpenAI, and this is what it came up with. So I just literally typed in, you can see there at the top as it just says YouTube intro for video explaining Chat OpenAI, and basically it just came up with this description. It says, in this video we will be discussing what Chat OpenAI is, how it works and its potential applications. Chat OpenAI is a cutting-edge platform that utilizes advanced natural language processing and machine learning techniques to enable users to communicate with artificial intelligence in a conversational manner. So it produces all this stuff basically just based on questions that you put into it. So by all means, go and sign up to it, go and have a go. You have to sign up with your email address, or if you've got a Google account, put the details in there, then you can sign up and basically have a go. One thing I will warn you about is so many people are on this at the moment that the website often shuts down and you have to wait to come back in. But I just keep refreshing the screen and eventually it does go back in. So I thought that was quite an interesting kind of little thing. And there are plenty of videos out there on YouTube of people who've tried more kind of exciting things in terms of writing code and stuff, but I just want to encourage you to go and have a play with it, more so you understand what's out there and the implications of this, because you can actually tell it to write you an essay of 1,500 words, an A grade on such and such, in history or this, that and the other, and it will produce it. It's freakily accurate in terms of what it will produce. So I've just basically created something here. It says, write a script for a video informing parents of the reasons students should not bring phones into school. Let's just change that into school. The information should contain links to safeguarding and keeping students safe online. So basically, if we just kind of hit that and see what it comes up with, you'll see how quick it comes up. It says, the narrator says, parents, it is important to understand the reasons why students should not bring their phones to school. Firstly, phones can be a major distraction in the classroom, taken away from the valuable learning time. Studies have shown that students who use their phones during class have lower test scores and grades. Secondly, having phones in school can also lead to cyberbullying and online safety concerns. With easy access to the internet and social media, students may be exposed to harmful content or be at the risk of being bullied online. To help keep your child safe online, we recommend visiting the National Cybersecurity Centre website, where you can find helpful advice and tips on how to keep your child safe whilst using the internet. Finally, by not bringing phones in school, students are able to develop important social skills and learn how to interact with their peers face to face. In conclusion, for the benefit of your child's education and safety, we recommend not allowing to bring their phones to school. For more information and resources on keeping your child safe online, please visit the National Cybersecurity Centre website. I mean, that's just from me typing those words. If you add more into it and you add more description, it will give you a lot more. Where I'm worried this is going from an educational point of view is what happens now when we set homework for students to write assignments, because you can put more into this. I wrote a story earlier on just to test it out for my son, where basically I put his name in, I asked it to write in the style of a Marvel comic. I added Spider-Man into it, I put a few other characters into it, I said I wanted it 500 words or 1,000 words, and it produced a really good story. If you don't put more detail in it, it will give you a very short kind of document. It won't give you much detail. You have to add more into the questions. But what's worrying about this is that where will it go in terms of what students can use it for to answer questions? How does it question what people put into question what people do for coursework or work that they're doing at home? So we need to think about the future of this. It's a fantastic tool. I've used it for a number of things to write very, very quickly when I want something and I haven't got time to write it up, and then you can still need to go through and check it. But if you see what's produced there, go and have a go, try it out, and you'll be amazed at what it will come up with. Throw some challenges its way and just see what it will basically show you. But I just want to raise people's awareness of it through this channel, but by all means go and have a play with it. It's quite interesting, and hopefully that's been a little bit of use in terms of how you can use it, and I'll see you all in the next one. Cheers, thanks very much.